And this front right hub assembly is apparently bad as well. This looks actually a little easier to change than the back ones. Again, you have to pull the brake caliper off, 2 bolts back here. Take the rotor off. It just pulls off. And then this hub and bearing assembly is held on just by four 15mm bolts. So I've loosened those already. There's nuts on the back. And it just pulls out like that. And you replace it as a unit. So there's the new one. You just bolt it back in. There is a sensor, a plug that is in the back. And that's it. Interestingly, these bolts are too long to get out. But there is a big hole here. I wonder if... Oh yeah. So you got to use this hole to get your bolts in. Okay, so we'll replace this bearing and hub assembly on this one. The back 2 are done already. And then most of the major problems should be taken care of with this car. Touch wood. Touch aluminum. Okay, thanks for watching.